Oh, I'm so excited. The box from Stitchkit has arrived for me to review. So let's see, let's open the box and see what we've got. Well, I can see wool, so it's something to do with that. Let's see what we've got here on the cards. So this month's craft is amigurumi, and they've sent me the wool to work on the pattern page page 14, and they've also sent a discount code there, so if any of the followers want to go and get this kit, you'll get 10% off by using that code. Oh, this looks so cute. Crochet your own Joseph Bear goes fishing. This looks really exciting. I can't wait to see what I've got. And the balls all here, which is great. I know they haven't sent me the hooks because you fill out a form on your colour choices, and you can state whether you want the hooks. Oh, hang on, I have got a hook. So I have got a hook, and it's a 4mm hook. And oh, they always send some little love hearts, so that's exciting. Not quite sure yet why I need a cocktail stick, but I'm sure that will all become quite apparent. Now then, what's this? That feels like it might be pins and hooks. We'll have a look. Hold on. So that packet contained all the little stitch markers and a pin. Let's see what else we've got. There's also a second hook, which is a 3.5, so that's two crochet hooks, a 4 and a 3.5 one. And at the bottom of the box, it's full of all the stuffing needed. Now let's have a look at the pattern. So the book contains Joseph Bear, Dougal the dog, Hedgehog, Fox and Otter, and they've sent me all the stuff to make Joseph Bear. So there's also a wonderful little story in the book, which I shall have a good read of, and I'm sure one of my daughters would love the book, because they both look after children. So Rachel and Kirsty, who run the company, Stitchkit, they are part of Arty Annie's group, and in September they are running a away day or away weekend, and if you can't attend that, then they will post you the stuff to do at home. They're going to be doing Manx quilting, and there's 2 or 3 other different projects that they're going to be doing. I'll post all of that information into the description below. I had a kit from them last year, which was knitting socks, which I enjoyed doing. I'm not a big knitter, I prefer to crochet. And then the beginning of this year, they actually made a customised box for my sister-in-law's 70th birthday, which was very nice. And she has also got a crocheting kit to make. So that's, their company are excellent. You fill in a form and give them all your colour options. If you don't want things like the hooks and stuff, you can say that you've already got them, and then they top it up with other bits. and they're just a great company. So I'll catch you in a little while when I start to crochet Joseph the Bear. So here is the first two legs. I'm now about to start the body. I did need to look up on the pattern as it says work from the bottom using the amigurumi method. So I had to look up what that meant, and it's actually just making a tube. So here's Little Bear. It's not quite finished. He's still got to have his eyes, bits of his nose and his belt buckle. So I just wanted to talk about the kit that's available. It's actually on the website for £50. With my code you will get 10% discount if you use the code. Now that is not the kit I got. I just got enough to make the bear so that I could review it. The actual kit gives you all the wool to make all 5 of the creatures and the accessories that go with them. I have still got a lot of wool left, which I could quite easily make another bear or something else from the kit, because there's lots of wool left. And so all in all, I think it is good value for money. And this has taken me, the kit arrived on Tuesday and it's now Thursday. So it's only taken me 2 days to actually get him to this stage. As I say, he still needs his eyes and his nose and his belt buckle put on. But yeah, I mean, if you want to buy it, I'll put the link to the shop in the description, and if you go to there you can get the kit with the discount code, and this is for the July kit from Stitchkit. So yes, very well worth it. Thank you.